welcome back to my channel. I am back with another tote unboxing for you. So I was really in love with the last tote I got from MarcJacobs. It was the fluffy, and it was size medium. Really love that size, been rocking that purse ever since. So I'm back at you with another purse from MarcJacobs in the size medium. So let's unbox it, let's get to it, let's do this. Ta-da! Awesome. I ordered straight from their website again. And this looks like their traditional boxes they send out with their purses compared to the last box. It was just like real plain Jane. But I'm assuming that's because it was on back order or whatever the case may be. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Love the yellow. Love the yellow boxing. Super cute, super cute. Love it, love it. Awesome. Paperwork. Let's get into the paperwork. Awesome. Boom. So this is just my receipt going over what I purchased. Oh, this says small tote on it. Now, mind you, I bought the medium. So, yeah, their sizing is interesting. For $195. It's their new color collection that they have. If I want to return it, there's my return label. But we know that's not going to happen. I'm obsessed with their tote bags. Obsessed. I'm assuming one day I need to go ahead and do a haul video of all my MarcJacobs tote bags. Because some of them I haven't done an unboxing video for. And they're just chilling. Alrighty, so they dropped some new colors for the winter. And this teal was one of those colors. Boom, there she is. But let's go ahead and get her shaped and together. Here's my trusty knife. Awesome. Beautiful, beautiful. So let's get her looking more shapely, because the reason why I like these totes is because they're boxy. Like, I don't know what it is with me and boxy purses, but like, it does it for me. Love me a boxy tote. So this is going to be the canvas tote, one of their cheaper totes. But I don't have a canvas tote in my collection, so might as well copy canvas. You know what I'm saying? Awesome. Strap, strap, strap. Let's unhook you. Awesome. Ooh, so much strings and stuff. Let's see what this strap's looking like. So it's just a black strap. Would have been super cute if they would have had the if it would have been the same color as the purse. Now that would have been fire. That would have been everything in a bag of chips. But I'm very much satisfied with the black strap. It looks good. Let's sit you down for now. Let's get all these paperworks off of here. Paperwork's off of here. Do not eat. Gotcha. Awesome. And let's shape her. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. You can do it. You can make it. Boom. So there is her reveal. Such a pretty, beautiful blue teal. I love, I love, I love. Comes with the MarcJacobs strap adapter to hold down your zipper, which is inside out. Cricket. It looks cricket. Yep, it was. Boom. Like so. We love, we love, we love. Beautiful.
Thank you. I really appreciate those kind words. And because you're so kind, I'm giving you a virtual gift, a tree of kindness. Right now, the tree is a stem.
Alexa, shut up. Because what? Girl, I almost lost my mind on you. Back to what I was doing. So, ooh, this not only comes with a pocket, but it also comes with two little side pouches or pockets, however you want to call them. So 3 pockets. We got 3 pockets with this one. Okay, MarcJacobs. Okay, MarcJacobs. Okay, MarcJacobs. More off the authentication paperwork. I love that it has like the different pouches in there. That's okay. Okay. Time to let me upgrade you. Introduce you to some new things and upgrade you. Upgrade you. So I got this purse in the medium because, like I said, I did like the size of the medium, and I'm going to be a mommy soon. So I'm feeling that having the extra room in a purse is amazing. This purse is huge, as like the last one. I really do love it. I think I finally got the shape shaped up for it. Thank God for that. More authentication paperwork. And then we have the nice little MarcJacobs teal label in the back. Love that, love that, love that. The tote bag in white with that same teal blue from the back on the front. Love that, love that, love that as well. Now, if I can just get her to stay shaped, we got ourselves a bag. You know what I'm saying? We got ourselves a whole movement here, girl. But here is the purse. She is super cute. I love her. This is a beautiful color, especially for the fall. Low-key, kind of want my nails this color. The next time I go in, might do that. Love it. Now let's put the strap on her. And for $195, this is a lot of purse. So I can respect that. I can dig that. So if you guys are looking for, you know, a purse that you like, or a tote bag, and you don't want to spend that much, MarcJacobs, their canvas bags, amazing. And this canvas feels really good too, like really durable, because girl, I be tossing my purses around and I need you to be able to handle my roughness. You understand? Yes, beautiful. So one last go around at the purse in its glory. Super excited to rock this, to give my pink fluffy purse a break too. Awesome. This is the bag. Beautiful, beautiful. Awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing of this bag, and I hope you enjoy your day, and I will see you the next time. Enjoy yourself.